This shower head has a large spray area and high pressure. No splitting flow and leakage. Quality ensured. There are 5 modes for you to choose: high pressure mode, shower mode, spray mode, soft mode 1 and soft mode 2, which is suitable for baby bathing. One button operation make it easy to open and close. Silicone panel offers a comfortable experience to use.